This is a short visual tutorial designed to help you use the SUH Excel file effectively. It's based on the Spanish language HUS slides, which are considered valid for all purposes. Firstly, access the links that will allow you to download the file to your PC, either in the two sections of the portal culturahistorica.org or in the direct links indicated in the description of this video. Find the file in your Downloads folder, right-click on the file name, open the window marked Properties. At the bottom, locate the security settings to unblock the macros when you know they come from a trusted source. Click successively on UN Block, Apply, OK. Now you can access the products of the SUH, summarized in the three large arrow keys on the right. When you open the file, you will find the cover page where you can observe and analyze its block design and then follow the repeated call in the diagram to view legends in menu. Click on Instructions and you can read them in the pop-up window. Once you have read them, you must close this window to continue. By clicking successively in descending order, you can access each of the information windows, going through the description and historical evolution of the 20 selected regions and the academic support of the prehistory used in this version of history. Finally, you will reach the information related to the creation of the synchronous table of empires. Now you can access the products of the HUS, summarized in the three large arrow keys on the right. You can open the top key now or at any time after knowing the other products. When you open it, it will download the Excel format to your PC once, where each interested party can write the history with their comments and observations, but mainly with all the additions they propose to complement and improve the database of our synchronous history. The middle key will take you to the database of historical events compiled in the HUS. Here you will find tools to select from the 20 regions those you want to compare or study, as well as to quickly locate the time period to compare. The bottom key takes you to the visualization of the Empires chart, which also has a tool to locate the desired time period for the comparison of related events. For both the database and the Empires chart, there is a series of illustrative graphs of some historical episodes. Finally, the only key that is enabled to properly close the file is shown.
Download the HUS now on a computer or device enabled with the Excel program. Download now the Excel file, Synchronous Universal History, Zerd XLSM, link you find in the description of this video. Follow the instructions in this video. And start getting to know the pages of the book. You can compare events by region and by time periods easily. Very soon you will be writing and making history.